Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The Mini Nutritional Assessment evaluates the nutritional status of elderly patients. It assesses dietary intake, weight changes, mobility, psychological stress, and body mass index. The tool identifies risks of malnutrition, including protein-energy malnutrition. Its main purpose is to detect early signs of nutritional decline to prevent related complications such as sarcopenia, immune dysfunction, and increased morbidity. The assessment facilitates timely intervention to improve overall health outcomes in geriatric populations. The Mini Nutritional Assessment is indicated primarily for elderly patients aged 65 years and older. It is most useful in clinical settings involving risk evaluation for malnutrition among community-dwelling older adults, hospitalized elderly patients, and residents in long-term care facilities. The tool aids in identifying individuals with normal nutritional status, those at risk of malnutrition, and patients who are malnourished. It is extensively utilized in geriatric care due to its ability to incorporate anthropometric measurements, dietary questions, and global assessments efficiently. The assessment supports early detection of nutritional decline, which is critical in preventing adverse clinical outcomes such as increased morbidity, prolonged hospital stays, and higher mortality rates in the elderly population. The Mini Nutritional Assessment consists of 18 items divided into 4 sections: anthropometric measurements, general assessment, dietary questionnaire, and subjective assessment. The anthropometric section includes questions on body mass index, mid-arm circumference, and calf circumference, recorded using direct measurements. The general assessment comprises questions regarding mobility, medication use, psychological stress, and neuropsychological problems, with responses formatted as dichotomous or categorical variables. The dietary questionnaire evaluates food intake decline, number of meals consumed daily, protein consumption, fruit and vegetable intake, and fluid consumption, offering multiple choice responses. The subjective assessment asks the patient or caregiver to rate nutritional status and health condition on a scale from good to poor. Each item carries a specific score, with the total summing to a maximum of 30 points. Scores between 24 and 30 indicate normal nutritional status, 17 to 23.5 suggest risk of malnutrition, and less than 17 denote malnutrition. Clinicians must consider these thresholds when interpreting results to guide appropriate nutritional interventions. The Mini Nutritional Assessment demonstrates a sensitivity ranging from 92 to 96% and a specificity between 78 and 84% in identifying malnutrition in elderly populations. Sensitivity reflects the tool's ability to correctly identify patients who are malnourished, meaning that if 100 malnourished individuals are assessed, approximately 92 to 96 will be correctly detected as at risk. Specificity indicates the capacity to correctly identify individuals who are not malnourished. Thus, among 100 well-nourished patients, about 78 to 84 will be accurately classified as not at risk. In a clinical context, high sensitivity reduces the likelihood of missing malnourished patients, ensuring early intervention, while reasonable specificity limits false positives, minimizing unnecessary further assessments or treatments. The Mini Nutritional Assessment Test was developed in the mid-1990s by Guigos and colleagues to provide a rapid and reliable tool for identifying nutritional risk in elderly populations. Since its inception, the test has undergone extensive validation across diverse healthcare settings, including acute care, community, and long-term care environments. Statistical analyses demonstrate that the mini nutritional assessment exhibits strong sensitivity and specificity, often exceeding 85%, in detecting malnutrition or risk thereof when compared with comprehensive clinical nutritional evaluations and anthropometric measures. Multiple studies have corroborated its predictive validity, linking mini nutritional assessment scores to clinically relevant outcomes such as morbidity, mortality, length of hospital stay, and functional decline. Longitudinal research conducted internationally has confirmed the test's reproducibility and reliability, with internal consistency values often reported above 0.90. Furthermore, the mini nutritional assessment has been cross-validated with biochemical markers such as serum albumin and prealbumin levels, reinforcing its clinical utility. These validations underpin its widespread acceptance as a standard screening instrument in geriatric nutrition assessment. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.